beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be slaying this unit here sent to me by Asteria hair. Shout out to Asteria hair for sponsoring today's video. I love this hair. I mean, it's so full and beautiful and bouncy, but I'm getting ahead of myself. If you wanna know how I styled it, installed it, and did my baby hair, go ahead and keep watching and I'll get into all of that. So go ahead and keep watching to find out how I got this look.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So off rip, I'll take the thank yous in the comments down below for not making y'all sit there and watch me curl this entire head of hair, you know? Go ahead and type up the thank you and send it down below because I know you would have hated that. So, I'm only going to do the front of the wig for you, in which I already bleached and plucked. And I tried the developer on the knots and then rinsing and then bleaching method and used purple shampoo, and it turned out that was a chef's kiss. I'm going to be using the Ion Soap Drops and the Sebastian Shaper hairspray in combination for each curl or in section, I guess. I'm gonna put the silk, I only put like a pea-sized amount and put it on the whole frontal, and then each section I'm gonna be spraying with Sebastian Shaper Plus, and then I'm just gonna use this inch to 1/4 inch barrel iron. I don't know, it's an inch and it go in. I'm gonna see if I can find a link for y'all down below so that you can get your own. But yeah, I curled the hair in 2 different directions away from my face, so both sides go away. So right side goes away, left side go away. And so now I'm going to begin curling using my heat glove. I would not be able to get through without this heat glove. This heat glove is a necessary component to getting the curl the way I like it. And also not me burning my hand up. So shout out to the heat glove. We couldn't do this without you, baby. So like I said, I'm curling away from my face, and as I twist the hair around the iron, I want to do a little twisting motion with my hand. As you see, I'm doing a little wrist action. You feel me? A little wrist work for the curl. And then once I finish it up, I go ahead and wrap the bottom around and let it sit. Now this curling iron was on like 400 degrees, 450, because I really wanted it to be a quick process because it's a lot of hair to curl. This is 32 inches of body wave, forgot to say. 32 inches of body wave, and I did let it air dry before I curled it. So it's just getting curled in its natural state. But what was the reason why I said that? Hold on. I remember my point. The point was that I didn't flat iron it before curling, so I wanted the heat to be as high as possible so that 1, it would curl fast, and 2, it would, you know, be the heat for style. So now I'm just going section by section. I only did 3 sections for the front, but I did a lot of sections in the back. I really wanted the curls to be curling. Use my Shaper Plus, combing it through, curling away. And yeah, that's pretty much self-explanatory. So I didn't think y'all needed to see the whole head. Now, if I made y'all see the whole head, y'all would have clicked up this whole video. And maybe someone's watching this video right now like, damn, there's a lot of curling. I don't care about this. And you know what, babe? I try to shrink it down for you. So go ahead and keep watching me curl it, and then we can get on to the install. Place my final duckbill clip, and then now we are done. The whole head is curled except for that one piece in the back that somehow got missed out on, but we can get it tomorrow. Now it's time to go to sleep. I woke up the next day and the curls was curling. I feel like this process itself was so pretty to watch, so pleasing to the eye, that I didn't want to speed it up. I wanted y'all to see each curl drop because it's real sexy. Look at that. Boing. What the hell? This is beautiful. I did this. I curled this hair up real nice. Ooh. Now this section is just me making sound effects to the curls. Ah! The curls dropping. Let me stop playing. I went ahead and took the clips out now because by now the curl should be set. So regardless if I did now or after the install, like the curl should be curling regardless. Wow, buoyant. I mean, so beautiful. This hair is really hairing. I really had no complaints for this hair. But now there's me with my beat face, my full lashes. And I went ahead and sprayed some Eben tinted lace spray on the cap before I went ahead and put it on. And then I slapped that bad boy on, and this is where we at. Forgot a clip. That's cool. We're going to take it out. But I took the clips out so that I could cut off my ear tabs and not have to interfere with any of the curls that were pinned up. So that's what we're going to get into. We're going to get into go ahead and cutting off these. Am I ahead of myself? Never mind. So we're going to look at this beautiful hair some more. We're going to see where it hit my back. 32 inches of hair. Curled up real nice. Am I going to cut off the edge, the ear tabs now? I was going to say okay 3 times and then cut off I'm cutting off the ear tabs. It's about that time. I'm going to pin my hair back so it's out my face. And then I'm going to adjust the wig to make sure it's right where it need to be. Usually I just use a rat tail comb to fill out where my ear is. And then I'll cut a little slit. And I'll use my razor. I edited that out. I didn't think y'all needed that. Okay. Well, I guess you're going to have to check out another video to see how I do that. I'm cracking myself up today. Okay. 2 slits. Push that wig to the back. Then you already know what it is. I'm going to go ahead and use my Hold Me Down by Erica J glue. I'm going to smooth it out real thin and place it on when it's it just turns transparent. Somebody was outside honking a horn. I had to see who was outside my house real quick. Threw me off my train of thought. But yeah, I'm going to blend that out real smooth. I'm going to air it out with my fan. I feel like blow dryers are a little too intense for this part. I need it to be the right amount of tackiness where I put it on. See how it's not clear all the way, but it's like mainly clear. That's where I like it. That's a sweet spot for me. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and place it on. Make sure the wig is where it needs to be. Make sure the ear tabs are where they need to be at. And then I'm going to go ahead and press it in with the comb. You know how this shit go. It's pretty self-explanatory at this point. Lots of adjusting, lots of pressing, lacing the glue, lots of adjustments. So I'm going to let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to let these tunes play, and you can watch me do it, okay? Okay. Wrapping this final section up, I'm going to go ahead and place that bad boy on down. And then it'll be time to go ahead and razor off the lace, combing that on into the lace a little bit. And now, go ahead and start razoring it off, zigzagging motions. Did I do zigzagging motions this time? Probably not, because I really had to get the fuck because I had to go to my sister's performance. So I had to go there with no baby hairs. So that's a testament to how long these curls lasted. I lasted through a little entire middle school poetry recital, and my curls was lasting when I came back. So, yeah, I had to razor this off really fast because it's about that time. I seen it about like 4:15. I had to go all the way out east. I'm like looking at the time. You see the stress in my mouth. My mouth all clenched. I'm stressed. I'm going to go ahead and throw in this elastic band, and that's the last y'all going to see me. But if I didn't tell y'all that I had to go, you probably wouldn't have known that I had to go because I made it so seamless, and I just hopped back right where I left off when I came back. So, you know, that's one thing about me. I'm gonna keep it a buck, and I'm gonna tell you what the fuck going on. So that's me when I came back. I came back, and my wig was laid, and the no baby hair look was cute, but I love me some baby hair. And one thing about it, 2 things for certain, I'm gonna do some baby hair because I like it. So here I am pulling it out and going ahead and putting the hot comb to the back for the pieces that don't need to be interfered with for the baby hair, pulling out my sideburn baby hair, and yeah, going ahead and make sure JaLeah? I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I don't burn myself. I'm gonna cut this at a diagonal because y'all know how I feel about them straight across baby hairs. And then after I cut the sideburn, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Sebastian Shaper plus spray on the baby hair. You know, I think we should grow out upon the baby hair because I'm tired of people saying they're adult hairs. These are my edges. You know, these is my edges. So my edges is getting curled right now with this bedhead 1/2 inch curling iron pixie. I don't know what it's called, but it'll be linked down in the description box for you. Don't worry. And then now I tried out a new technique of doing my baby hair where I comb it out first and then try to like press it down. And then also adding some that gel I used in my last video that I really liked. That will also be linked down below. And that's how I comb my baby hair down. And then I'll do the same thing for the sideburn. It's looking like we gonna be laid. Like, I like it. The pluck job was immaculate. Y'all know how I told y'all about the plucking video. It's coming soon. I told y'all I'm figuring out my technique. And judging by this video and the last video, I'm figuring it out. So y'all see that real soon. Both sides baby hair is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish recording my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Beauty via JaLeah. Don't forget, cause I'm kind of viral on there. Kinda, you know, I don't take a lot. Getting like 200,000 views on TikTok is the equivalent to like 500 likes on Twitter. So you know, it's not really crazy, but I take the views anyway. So now I went ahead and add some concealer to my part, and then now I'm going to add some mascara because I did over bleach a little bit, but I'd rather over bleach than under bleach. So I'm going to just take care of that really quick with this mascara, and then I think it's about time for me to shut the fuck up soon. I think I'm done. I'm wrapping it up. I think this is about it after I do a little few more brush strokes and I make sure that my part is crispy. And yeah, now here I am just trying to show y'all the full length of the hair and where it goes to. It goes past my butt, but due to the curl it shrinks up a little bit. But this hair is beautiful. This is where my thumbnail is coming from. Y'all not gonna see much of this in the video besides these clips. I was feeling myself clearly, and as you can see, wouldn't you be feeling yourself with 32 inches of curls on your head? Ain't nothing feel better than bouncing some 32 inches of curls by your ass. Don't nothing feel better than that. Here's a nice little hair flip for you. It's giving seductive. It's giving sexy. It's giving 32 inches of hair down my back. Okay, I'm gonna let real me close this out. So that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming. And you know, besides the part where I was like rushing to get the fuck out of here and had to leave and come back without my edges. Besides that part, you know, even when I was also with my edges off, like, I was like, wow, I'm really having a time in this hair. And these curls have been holding. I mean, I probably need a brush out at this point. I mean, but you can barely tell that I need a brush out. The curls is curling. The curls is curling. I went ahead and brushed it out. I didn't brush it out for the rest of the video. Like, I finished the video and then went off and was like, I should brush my hair. And it's so pretty. And it's the type of brush out where like the curls will go ahead and form themselves again. I mean, my hands are running through it effortlessly. Like, this is beautiful. So I just had to come back and tell y'all real quick how beautiful this hair is, because I said I needed to brush it. And I did. And it looks so good. Wow. I have zero complaints. The fullness is great. The texture is great. The shine level, great. The way you don't even like to smile, whack. Okay, back to the video. So I had a great time with this hair. So if you're interested in the hair or anything else that I used during the process of the video, go ahead and check the description box and I'll have all the links down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And follow me on TikTok. I made a TikTok during this whole process. Also Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, both TikTok and Instagram are Beauty via JaLeah. And with that being said, I think that's all my spiel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.